Allah Rabbul Izzah said, إِنَّمَا الْمُؤْمِنُونَ إِخْوَةٌ. All believers are brothers. And Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, all believers are in their mutual kindness and compassion and sympathy are just like a single body. If an organ of the body suffers, the whole body will respond it with the wakefulness and fever. If your head feels pain, so your rest of the entire body will respond to it and will be restless. So Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, my ummah, all believers are like a single body. If a person in another world, suppose in China, in Palestine, in Gaza, in Syria, in any other country, he said, La ilaha illallah Muhammadun Rasulullah, he is my brother. And Allah said, he is my brother. All believers are brothers. And if he feels pain, if he going through a difficult time or hard time, so it's far on me that I do effort to take him out from his difficulties. If I did not do that, so I am not true believer. I'm a selfish person, and believer cannot be selfish. Believers live for other believers, to help them, to do effort for them. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says, Man nasara mu'minan في موطن يحب أن ينصر فيه نصره الله ومن خذل مؤمنا في موطن يحب أن ينصر فيه خذله الله. If a Muslim, if a believer abandon another believer in a situation in which he needs his help, Allah will abandon him. Allah will disgrace him. Allah will ignore him in the day of judgment. And if a believer helps another believer in a situation in which he needs his help, Allah will help him in this world and in after death. In a situation in which he needs Allah Almighty's help. Allahu Akbar. And in another hadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, كان الله في عون العبد ما دام العبد في عون أخيه. As long as you help your brother, you protect your brother, you take care of your brother, Allah will be with you. Allah will be in your help. Allah will take care of you. Allah will protect you. And in the interpretation of this hadith, it's mentioned that if you are going through a hard time, you are going through some difficulties, and at the same time, a person came to you, needs your help, so it's the package from Allah Almighty that if you help this person, in actual, Allah, He has sent this person to you. If you help this person, Allah will take you out from your difficulties. And Allah will make the ways easy for you to achieve what you want. So it's package from Allah. And if you cannot do anything financially or emotionally or in another way, at the very least, we all can make dua for our brothers. At least, We all can make dua for our brothers in their absence. And Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said a very beautiful hadith. If you make dua for your brother in his absence, the angels will make dua, the same dua for you. The same dua for you. Allahu Akbar. My dua, it may be rejected, it may be accepted, but the dua of angel never rejected. So if you need anything from Allah, ask Allah that thing for your brother. So the angels will ask that thing for you. So Allah will accept the dua of angel and you will grant that thing by Allah Almighty. أقول قولي هذا وأستغفر الله لي ولكم ولسائر المسلمين وأستغفره وأتوب إليه